Jeremy Osterberger here with BIC Alliance. I've got Chad Broussard with me from P66. Chad is the past chair of the Society of Maintenance and Reliability Professionals Houston chapter, and he's the current scholarship chair. So Chad, thank you for spending a little time with us.
Thank you, Jeremy. I appreciate it.
It's always great to see you.
Thank you.
So let's talk a little bit about SMRP Houston chapter and really the MARS Symposium, the Maintenance and Reliability Symposium. How long has the MARS Symposium been in existence?
So we're in our 12th year right now, so it's our 12th annual Morris Conference, Maintenance and Reliability Symposium, and we're having such a great time. We're growing it. It's growing. If I talk about in numbers, the last 4 years, we've jumped our profits from $40,000 to close to $80,000 a year just in the last 2 to 3 years. So we're getting a lot of exposure. We're reaching out into the market. And really, it's a nonprofit organization. So we're talking about raising this money to give back to the community, to give back to the students, engineering scholarships, craft skill, trade scholarships, and those types of things, basically to help support what our industry needs in terms of continued education in engineering and supporting our industry, safety, reliability, maintenance, all the things that we really need to do, and it's about practitioners, being practitioners for practitioners. So,
and that workforce development aspect of it all is just so important, especially in these times, right?
Yeah, what we're learning right now is really about the craft skills that we're losing and missing because our parents always told us, you need to go to college. And what we're seeing now is we're running out of those young craftspeople, machinists, mechanics, mechanical technicians, and it's a sad story that we have to go elsewhere for those.
We all have to pick up that lantern, right, and spread that message.
Correct.
Yeah. So, Chad, talk about it. If I'm an attendee and I'm coming here, talk a little bit about who is here and what do they learn from being here. Yeah.
So, the players are always changing. One of the things that I'm seeing now versus 6 or 7 years ago, there's a lot of new young people coming into the market, into the industry. Mm-hmm. So what can you walk away with? Number one, you can learn about new technologies. Technology is changing so rapidly right now. I mean, you can walk around these 50 different exhibit booths and learn so much about state-of-the-art equipment, state-of-the-art technology. You can take it back to work with you. I mean, you can see how you can make a direct impact when you go back to the plant, on Monday. So ideas. It's all about supporting you and your career and helping the company that you work for. And really, I said it a little bit earlier, but maintenance and reliability engineering supports the safety of the people. It supports the environmental aspect of equipment, how it runs, to ensure that it doesn't leak. We don't have problems with it. And I think it also supports a work-life balance for the people, because a reliable plant is a safe plant.
That's right. And Chad, if someone's interested in SMRP Houston chapter, how do they get involved with the organization?
Well, basically, you can go to the SMRP website. Okay. You can go to you can Google SMRP and see that. It'll come up, the Houston chapter will come up, but the international chapter or organization is linked to the Houston chapter, so you can go to it a couple of different ways.
Sounds good. Thank you.
If you Google SMRP, you'll find us.
It.
Yes.
All right.
All right.
Well, it's always great to catch up with you, man.
Thanks a lot, Jeremy. Appreciate it.